Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to create a free Spotify account on iPhone and Android. So let's get started. First thing first, go to the App Store on your iPhone and search for Spotify. Then download and install the Spotify app if you have not downloaded it yet. Then tap on the Spotify app icon to open it. Then on the login screen, tap on the sign up for free or sign up to create a new account. Tap on it. After you tap on it, follow the prompts to enter your email address. Here, I'm entering my email address and simply click on the next icon. After that, you will need to create a password. Make sure to create a secure password. After the password, you will need to register your date of birth. Then simply select your gender and click on the next icon again. Then after entering your information, tap on all the bubble box available there and continue. Now after entering your information, just click on the artist you like. Here I am clicking some random artist. Once your account is set up, you can start using the free version of Spotify on your iPhone or Android. You will have the access to a vast library of music, playlists, and features supported by ads. And that is it. You have successfully created a free Spotify account on both iPhone and Android devices. You can now enjoy streaming music on Spotify app. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.